my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Yeah, man, just getting off work. What a day, what a day. I guess we'll go home and clean this bad boy up. Yeah, man, so as you can see, goddamn, that's me just wiping with my fingers. So we finna go ahead and spray it down and get it right. You know, she ain't got the big paint job or nothing. You know what I'm saying? But shit, we gonna at least spray off. You know what I'm saying? So at least keep the wheels clean. We done caught a kink. We done caught a kink. So I'm gonna show y'all what I use when I clean my wheels. Even though I need to clean them a little bit more often. Got that McGuire's Hot Rims Chrome Wheel Cleaner. Yes, sir. So put it on there. Let it set and do its thing after you wet them. Need to get a bucket too. I gotta spray it on there. Let it do its thing. And I'll bring y'all back after we done. Alright, so we're making progress. So as you can see, man, like it just, no matter what you drive, dog, with this fucking cash wheels, forged wheels, stocks, rallies, whatever, man, just keep them clean now. Keep them clean. So I gotta hit this other side. So y'all see the difference. This side ain't been touched. It looks a little bit rough. At first glance, it's like, man, it ain't terrible, but it ain't clean either. So I'm gonna hit this other side. All right, it ain't no secret, man, what I use for the tires. But let me show you, man, just all the way live, baby. All right, so y'all, as you can see, that's what it is. Cover all the McGuire's, man. I mix two brands. Sometimes I change up the products I clean with. So that's right. I just gotta hit it with the glass cleaner and all that. But I gotta get baby stuff out the way, because even though it's a Mopar, it's dirty and it's sitting in my driveway. So gotta get it looking right. So till next time, it's your boy Rock254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Hey, Loco, I need another sticker, man. Maybe a magnet. Let me know if you got any. And we out.